Another critical fake out, guys, on Harmony One. We got to get through these details real quickly. Now, I prepared you in the last video, guys, with this exact line of resistance. You guys know that. I exactly gave you this line of resistance so you would not be faked out. I want to talk about the feedback I got from the last video, guys. 566 views, nice showing, way to show up. I know you show up for the fake outs. You want to know how to prevent losing money, guys, but only 47 of you, less than 10% of that 550 plus, only 10% of you said it was going to $1. So smash the like button if you think it's going up. This is what I use these diagnostics for. Is the fact, guys, that I'm able to go ahead and determine the bull or bearish sentiment of the market. Also, appreciate your comments when you say, are you saying we're going down? Guys, not me. I mean, only 10% of you say that it is going up. So, guys, we need a stronger community than that. If you guys want it to go up, that might be a reason. I'm just bringing it up because it might be a reason why you're unable to conquer these levels of resistance. I'm just discussing it, guys. Only 10% of you are long on Harmony One right now. I thought you guys were the holders, the stakers, like literally the ones that were really long on Harmony One. If you're not, you're proving it not only to me and your community, but you're proving it to other people, okay, who may invest in Harmony One. They're not wanting to invest in something where only 10% of you think it's any good, guys. So determine that. And if you're lazy on the button, guys, you're lazy in your diagnostics. I don't know how you are in trading, but I'll just bring that up. In terms of this fake out, guys, would have been a nice move to the upside, but you guys, you're just not bullish right now. And that's okay, guys. There may be other things that have gotten you interested in the market, etc., and maybe that'll change. But a 25% move to the upside, I don't know who would say no to that. That's a nice move. If you guys are operating on leverage, like a 3x position as well, that would be nice. So we're in this descending triangle. Some of it may be the nature of a descending triangle in terms of pushing, but in terms of this level of resistance working out and out, that may be one of the frustrating events of a descending triangle, that descending line of resistance, flat line of support. What I want to talk about, the key overall focal for me, I want to go back to like what's the key feature for me in terms of the technicals. And no, I'm not saying it's going down, guys. I'm not saying it's going up. I want to read the community, and I want you guys to tell me, and I want to create the content that is in line with not only the technicals, but that best serves your purposes. If you guys are into shorting Harmony One, great. You know, if that's the majority of the market, you want to short Harmony One, it has a lot of price action to the upside. I can make a video on three L or S positions, right? Long or short positions. To the extent you guys don't know what those are, it's important, guys. It's very important to know what both sides of the coin are here, because there was a big gulch here for 6 months that we spent with Harmony One, where it was doing nothing but retracing. You guys know that. We were heavy on those retracements. You see, let's go ahead and recapture. This will be a kind of informative session after we went through kind of just a kind of a gut check on the nature of the market. Some of you may not like that. It's like, well, I don't want to hit the like button because I don't like that. Don't make it be about me, guys. You're missing out on the whole point of kind of structured media here. It's not me. It's the coin, guys. Support your coin or not. Like, get over the personal factor. If you're emotional about the market, you're going to lose, guys. Guarantee you. As you look at this, let's look at these hit points down into this 66. Right, that golden pocket. We got the 78.6. Let's see. That's nicely identified. 2 hits along that 78.6, more or less. This is kind of a quick draw, guys. But, you know, we covered these heavily. Talked about scheduling in and doubling and tripling down into these levels, particularly with Harmony One. It's worked out well, right, from that 786. Let's just rehash here. You're up about 300% in 3 months. Not bad, guys. Maxed over 350% in about 84 days, that first 84 days of that. But that's nice, guys. In terms of the 6 months that you've spent, you know, the question for me is to you. I have to say that, guys. I can cover all the technicals. Do people want a bullish or a bearish? You want to know, is it going up or down? I guess you do if you're shorting or longing. But I prefer to hang out with the bulls. I got to tell you guys, this is kind of a weird video for me because I just prefer to hang out with the bulls. I would like to see for the bulls, I want you to hang out, guys. I want you to maintain this structure, this curvature. I just do. It's very important that you maintain the curvature of this structure. If you break down from this, we may have some other issues. I did want to bring up one thing. Earlier in the year, you guys remember around, what was that, April? Yeah, Bitcoin kind of had some interesting ongoings. Right now, what Harmony One had going on at that time essentially was the initiation and the expression, guys, of a rising wedge. Okay, this rising wedge essentially was the death knell for Harmony One back in the day, and a lot of good pricing action. I'd say movements in terms of charts can be deduced down to a rising wedge. So let's keep our eye out for anything that does look like a rising wedge. Okay, in terms of the bulls out there, let's keep our eye out for something that looks like a rising wedge or a clearly bearish pattern. Right now, we don't have that. We don't have. If I I'll take these away, then I'll put them right back. But right now, we don't even have really like a double top, do we? We don't have a double top. We don't have a rising wedge. So right now, it looks like we're in kind of good shape in terms of people who want to move to the upside. I'd say that. So I'd look forward to positive pricing is all I'm going to say right now. That is technically indicating because we don't have a real bearish pattern to kind of deal with. So let's go bulls. If you're bullish on Harmony, hit that like button. And if you're bearish on Harmony, go ahead and hit the down button, or go ahead and leave me some comments, guys. I really enjoyed those comments. It helps me know the community. I do think you're one of the top communities in terms of numbers. I just want to know kind of what your motives are. You want this thing to go up, or you kind of hang? I don't know what you're doing in the market, so let me know. That's the way we communicate, guys. This is London, and glad we brought you that level of resistance, aren't you? I hope you are, aside from all the commentary. Hopefully you don't think it's just empty words because, guys, I brought you this. Bam, if you paid attention, bam, you were prepared for it. You didn't get suckered into a fake trade that could have worked out on leverage kind of difficultly, guys. About 8 to 10% down on that. So I like you guys who are being disciplined and reserved, waiting for that breakout, the confirmation, and the momentum to get into that 20% move. You're the ones that are doing well. And, guys, you're the ones that probably spent the most time on this channel. So congratulations to all you guys. About a 6-minute video. This is London with Crypto Kingdom and Bitcoin Spike. We'll talk to you soon. Take care. Bye-bye.